Okay, so in this video we're going to be tackling questions from 2014, and one of the questions on the topic which we have solved so far in 2014 comes from partial fraction, which was actually the first question that here. This. So the question will express 6x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 3 into 3x minus 2. Okay, now in this case, since we have two factors in the denominator, is going to be equivalent to a on 2x minus 3 plus b on 3x minus 2. Okay, so we know what comes next. We need to cross multiply here, and when we do that, we're going to have 6x plus 1 is going to be identical to a on 2x minus 3 sorry, there's a little mistake here. 6x plus 1 is going to be equal. Now when all this come multiplied, this guy will be cancelled, so we're going to have a times 3x minus 2 plus the same thing again. When we multiply all these two denominators here by this value of b here, this value will cancel, so b times 2x minus 3, and the same goes for this other side, because when you cross multiply these two values will come and multiply this numerator here, and this denominator will cancel out. Okay, so what comes next? From here you need to open the bracket and you equate the like terms. So doing this, so after doing that, this is what we have as a solution. Okay, so 3a plus 2b equals to 6, and here was supposed to be actually minus 2a minus 3b equals to 1, but I didn't want to have negative terms on my variable, so I had to multiply both sides by a negative value. Now from here, what we need to do is simple. We need to solve the simultaneous equation. Okay, and we know that different ways of solving simultaneous equation. We have the elimination method, we have the substitution method, we have the elimination method and the substitution method. And if you know any method which you have not mentioned, you feel free to mention in the comment section. Okay, so by substitution method, what do? We take one variable and we equate it, we'll make it the subject of the formula. Let's say in equation 1 I would really like to work with b. So here 2b, let's go gradually, equals to 6 minus 3a, and this will imply that b is equal to 6 minus 3a divided by 2. Okay, 6 minus 3a divided by 2. Now you have to, this now becomes your equation 3. Now what if you substitute this third equation in the second equation? This would imply that we're going to have 2a plus 3 into 6 minus 3a divided by 2 is equal to negative 1. Okay, so multiply the whole equation by this 2, which is in the denominator, for us to get rid of it. We're gonna have, this implies that we have 4a plus 18 minus 9a is equals to a negative 2. 4a minus 9a gives us negative 5a, and negative is 18. When it goes to the other side of the question, it becomes negative, so sending here it becomes negative, so 5a is equals to negative 20, and this implies that a is equal to 4. It's implied that a is equal to 4. Now we have the value of a. Now what if we come and substitute this a here in equation 3? Okay, so substituting a in equation 3, this will imply that b is equals to 6 minus 3 into 4 divided by 2. 3 times 4 is 12. So 6 minus 12 divided by 2 is implied that b is equal to -3. Okay,